Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Tastytrade, a platform that's widely known for options trading. Whether you're an experienced trader or a beginner looking to get into options, Tastytrade offers a unique experience tailored to those wanting an alternative to traditional brokerage platforms. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear understanding of what the platform is used for, its standout features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether or not it's the best broker for options trading. Tastytrade is primarily a brokerage platform that focuses on option trading. While you can also trade stocks, futures, and other financial instruments, its design and features are geared specifically towards option traders. The platform offers a wealth of educational content through its integrated media network, helping users make informed trading decisions. It is ideal for those who want to actively manage their portfolios, understand risk, and use complex strategies to maximize gains. Now, here's a breakdown of its main products and features. Advanced Options Trading Tools. Tastytrade options trading tools are some of the best in the market. You can create and execute multi-leg options strategies with ease, and its intuitive interface makes it simple to visualize your risk and reward before placing a trade. Research and insights. The platform provides a constant stream of live market insights and research. Tastytrade's founders and team members regularly provide video content discussing trading strategies, market updates, and educational tips, making it not just a brokerage but a learning platform. Customizable trading interface. One of the standout features is the ability to customize your trading interface. You can arrange your dashboards, watch lists, and research tools to fit your specific needs. Low-cost trading. Tastytrade has a competitive fee structure, particularly for options traders. It offers commission-free stock trades, and while it charges for option contracts, the costs are still very low compared to many competitors. Mobile and desktop platforms. Whether you're trading on your desktop or on the go, Tastytrade's platform is responsive and well designed. The mobile app is particularly robust, allowing for seamless trading anywhere. Now let us talk about the pricing. Tastytrade has a straightforward and low-cost pricing model. Here's a breakdown. Stocks and ETFs are commission-free. Options trade at $1 per contract to open and $0 to close. This means that while you pay a small fee to enter an options trade, there are no charges when you close it. Futures are at $1.25 per contract, which is competitive for futures trading. Cryptocurrencies are at $0 per purchase, and that is great for casual traders. Overall, Tastytrade is one of the more affordable platforms, especially for those who trade options frequently. How about the pros and cons of using Tastytrade? Let's talk about the pros first. Options-focused platform. Designed specifically for options traders, it makes it easy to execute complex strategies. Low fees. Competitive pricing, particularly with free stock trades and low-cost options, are a great value. Rich educational resources. Tastytrade stands out with its integration of live trading insights, tutorials, and educational content for traders at all levels. Customizable platform. The ability to personalize your trading dashboard is great for more experienced traders who want control over their tools. No closing fees for options. This is a rare feature that's highly beneficial for active option traders. How about the cons of using this platform? Limited assets classes. Tastytrade does not have the same variety of asset classes as other brokers, particularly in areas like bonds, mutual funds, and some global markets. Learning curve. The platform, while powerful, can be overwhelming for beginners. The number of tools, graphs, and features might seem daunting if you're new to trading. Less focus on long-term investing. Tastytrade is built for active traders, especially in options. Long-term investors seeking mutual funds or more traditional assets might find it lacking. So here's the question. Is Tastytrade the best broker for options trading? It certainly has a lot going for it. The platform is intuitive, the fees are competitive, and the educational content is unparalleled. For those who are focused specifically on options trading and want a platform that supports complex strategies with ease, Tastytrade is undoubtedly one of the top contenders. However, if you're looking for a platform that offers a broader range of asset classes or caters more to long-term investors, you might want to explore alternatives like TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, or Interactive Brokers. For pure options traders though, Tastytrade is a strong and reliable choice. Whether or not it's the best comes down to personal preference and how much you value a platform that's tailored for active traders. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.